Hi, we're looking at a Speedmax data interpretation type of sum. Source of the sum is from indiabix.com. Right, so let's look at the sum. Now, is the graph given? The first step is to understand the graph which is there. So you have income and expenditure which is given to you. Income in green and expenditure in blue for 5 different companies. And this all is for the year 2001. They're also given a profit percentage ka formula. Companies M and N together had a percentage of profit of how much? If you look at M and N, you can make out. Look, what I do normally in these cases count the bars. So company M had a loss of 2 bars. Company N has a profit of 2 bars. So it cancels each other. That means there's no profit, no loss. So D option. So when I take bars, I don't have to calculate numbers. I can make it out with bars, which are normally smaller in numbers and make out. So profit of 2 is equal to loss of 2. So it cancels out. So automatically there is no profit, no loss. What is the approximate percentage of profit loss of all the 5 companies taken together? So M and N cancels out profit loss. Similarly, if you look at P and R also cancels out 1 bar and 1 bar profit and loss. That means there's only here profit. So profit of 2 bars, which is 10. Okay, the profit is 10 overall for all the 5 companies. So that means C and D option ruled out. Now profit is calculated on expenditure. If you look at approximate expenditure of all the 5 years is 40. Approximate. Sum up, little more than 40 only be. For 5 years, the total expenditure will be 40 into 5, 200. So if you look at 10 profit out of 200 is 5%. That's what they want, approximate. You get the answer A option, right? Total expenditure. You can add also 45 plus 40 plus 45 plus 30 plus 45. I'm just trying to avoid addition. So if I take average 40 approximately, it comes 40. Look at 1 bar on top, 1 bar on top, 1 bar on top. So 3 bars on top, but 2 bars negative. So overall it comes to, approximately 40 for 5 years. So 200 is the overall expenditure. So profit of 10 on expenditure of 200 will give you 5%. That's the answer, A option. So if you want to be fast in DI, learn to approximate. That helps you to be fast in the exam. Which company earned a maximum percent profit in the year 2000? Clearly you can make out that Q has earned a maximum profit. 2 companies have got more profit, N and Q. But N has a smaller base, expenditure is smaller. So automatically percentage will be higher. So D option. So both N and Q has a profit of 10, but Q, the base is smaller, the expenditure is smaller. Therefore the percentage will be higher automatically. For company R, if the expenditure increased by 20% in 2001, so this 45 which is their expenditure is 20% more than last year. So only last year expenditure. Let's step approximate. If I take 35 to 45, increase of 10 out of 35 is much more than 20%. But if I take 37 to 45, increase of 8 is approximately, you can say 20%. So it will be something 37 point something. This will be slightly more than 20%. So 37 point something will be the expenditure, approximately. I'm looking at approximation. And you earned a profit of 10%. So profit will be 3.7 approximately plus. So automatically the value will be more than 40.7. Only one option, 41.25. That will be the answer. It were closer options and maybe I would have calculate accurately. But here I calculate approximately. I can make out 37 gives you approximately 20% profit. 8 on 37. Because if I take 38, 7 on 38 gives you less than 20% profit. You should be good at calculating 10%, 20%. For example, 38, 10% is 3.8. So 20% will be how much? Double of it, 7.6. So 7.6 upon 38 is 20% profit. Here 7.4 upon 37 is 20% profit. So it will be somewhere between 37 and 38. So more than 37 plus 10% will be more than 40.7. So from the option you can make out the answer is D option. If the income of company Q in 2001 was 10% more than its income in 2000. Right, so we're talking income now 40. This is 10% more than 2000. So if we take 36, 40, 4, it will be more than 10%. So the answer, the value will be slightly more than 36, slightly more than 36. Right, and the company earned 20% profit. So that means if the expenditure was 30 and income was 36, I would get 20% profit because 6 out of 30 is 20%. But this is more than 36, so this will be more than 30, and because this will be more than 30, from the options you can make out answer will be B option, right? Only option which is slightly more than 30. So first I found out that the expenditure, basically the income has to be more than 36. Because if I take 36, I get more than 10% increase. So it'll be slightly more than 36. If slightly more than 36, then if I take expenditure 30, this will get more than 20%, but I want exactly 20% profit. So it'll be slightly more than 30. So from the options, B option is the answer, right? So taking 30 is because it's an easy way to calculate and is there in the option, close to the options. If I took 30 and checked out, becomes easier to find the answer, right? I hope it's clear. I did go fast, but that's the way you need to go with DI. You need to be fast in your DI. If you're fast in your calculation and you're fast in your approximation, you can really save a lot of time in DI. Else what will happen is you will waste a lot of time in calculation and DI, and in the speed-based test, wasting time on calculation is not advisable. Right? I hope this helps. Thank you.